Do you like shopping? Then imagine this. You walk into a small shop. You see something nice. Maybe a jacket. Maybe a bag. Maybe shoes. But then you think, what do I say in English? Don't worry. Today we practice together. And by the end of this lesson, you can speak in a shop with confidence. Yes, really.
Hi, friend. Welcome back to Elevate Your English. I'm very happy you are here today. I am Mark. This episode is part of our 200 Common English Phrases series, the phrases native speakers use every day in real life.
Hi, I am Mia. Today's topic is shopping English. These phrases help you ask the price, find items, try clothes, pay easily, speak politely. So next time you enter a store, you know exactly what to say. Let's begin together. You are inside a small clothing shop. Listen first. Then repeat with me. Customer, excuse me.
Worker, yes.
I'm looking for a jacket.
Worker, yes, right here.
Thank you. Can I try this on?
Yes, of course.
Customer tries jacket. Customer, how much is this?
It's $25.
Oh, it's too expensive.
We also have this one.
Oh, I like this one. I'll take it.
Great choice.
Do you accept cards?
Yes.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Now let's listen again to the customer lines at natural speed. Excuse me. I'm looking for a jacket. Can I try this on? How much is this? It's too expensive. I'll take it. Do you accept cards? Keep the change. Very natural English. You are already learning real conversation. If you're thinking this was a lot, don't worry. We will practice each phrase together. Speak with me. No stress. Small steps are perfect steps.
Phrase 1. How much is this?
We use this when we want the price. Example. How much is this jacket? Repeat. How much is this jacket? How much is this bag? Repeat. How much is this bag? Now you try. How much is this? Excellent.
Phrase 2. I'm looking for.
We use this when we want something specific. Example. I'm looking for shoes. Repeat. I'm looking for shoes. I'm looking for a hat. Repeat. I'm looking for a hat. Your turn. I'm looking for a jacket. I'm looking for a new job. Perfect.
You know what I like about this practice. Our listeners can build their own sentence using this structure.
Absolutely. The goal for our listeners to learn the sentence structure and build more examples and be able to speak without fear. Okay, I'm excited to keep going.
Phrase 3. Do you have?
We ask if something is available. Example. Do you have this in blue? Repeat. Do you have this in blue? Do you have a large size? Repeat. Do you have a large size? Now say, do you have this in black? Great job.
Phrase 4. Can I try this on?
Use this in clothing stores. Example. Can I try this on? Can I try this shirt on? Repeat. Can I try this on? Excellent.
Phrase 5. It's too expensive.
We say this when something costs a lot. Example. This bag is nice, but it's too expensive. This jacket is good, but it's too expensive. Your turn. It's too expensive. But it's too expensive. Nice speaking.
You are doing something amazing right now.
You are not just listening. You are speaking English.
And that is powerful.
If this lesson is helping you, take 1 second and subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button and please don't forget to comment.
Every episode teaches simple English you can use in real life.
And together, we continue learning step by step.
Now let's continue. Phrase 6. I'll take it.
This means, yes, I want this. Example. This shirt is nice. I'll take it. This coffee is good. I'll take it. Repeat. I'll take it. Great.
Phrase 7. I'm just looking.
We say this when we don't need help yet. Example. Can I help you? I'm just looking.
Hello? Can I help you?
I'm just looking. Say it with me. I'm just looking. Perfect.
Phrase 8. Where can I find?
We use this to ask for location. Example. Where can I find shoes? Where can I find jackets? Your turn. Where can I find bags? Very natural English.
Phrase 9. Do you accept cards?
We ask about payment. Example. Do you accept cards? Do you accept cash? Now repeat. Do you accept cards? Excellent.
Phrase 10. Keep the change.
We say this when paying with cash. Example. Coffee costs $4. You give $5. You say, keep the change. Try. Keep the change. Beautiful speaking.
Now, let's practice together in real situations. Imagine the shop. Imagine the worker. Imagine your voice. You are ready.
Practice 1. Repeat after me. How much is this? How much is this? I'm looking for a jacket. I'm looking for a jacket. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? It's too expensive. Tea's too expensive. I'll take it. I'll take it. Excellent.
Practice 2. Try a new situation.
You enter a shoe store. Say, I'm looking for shoes. Pause now. Say it again. Great work.
Practice 3. Asking about price.
You see a bag. Ask, how much is this? Pause and say it. Perfect.
Practice 4. Payment situation.
You want to pay by card? Say, do you accept cards? Try again. Do you accept cards? Very clear.
Practice 5. No help needed.
Worker says, can I help you? You answer, I'm just looking. Excellent speaking. You sound natural already. Today, you learned 10 powerful shopping phrases.
How much is this? I'm looking for. Do you have? Can I try this on? It's too expensive. I'll take it. I'm just looking. Where can I find? Do you accept cards? Keep the change.
These are real phrases people use every day around the world. And now, you can use them too. Before we finish, I want to tell you a small, true story. One learner visited a clothing store. She felt nervous, which is natural. She walked into the store. She saw a blue jacket. She liked it, but she waited. She walked around the store 2 times. Then she took a deep breath. And she said, "Excuse me." Then, "How much is this?" The worker smiled. He answered kindly. Then she said, "I'll take it." That was all. 2 sentences. But she felt proud the whole day because she spoke English in real life. And next time you enter a store, you can do the same. Just 1 sentence is enough. Maybe, "How much is this?" And that is how confidence begins. 1 sentence at a time. I believe in you. See you in the next episode.